Too bad there's not 3 spirals anymore. The one just wouldn't work ever. So I had to make it like this. Now they can actually get across to get here. All my orange ones we're doing on the bridge battle. Doesn't look like, I wonder who's gonna win. 3 gravity oranges. This is the shiniest and brightest orange. Gravity. That's an orange red. My grandma said orange red. That was an orange, I guess. Okay, they're not really battling. I think it's because this one's getting dead, or it's because this one's dead. I think it's because this one. Oh, another gravity fell off. That was my second one. These are the 2 I got for Easter. Oh, and it's going way over there. It won't be back, I'm sure. All that's left is the dead battery ones. These are all ones that have dead batteries. That one is always dead. That was orange gravity. What the? Come on, fall off. It needs to lean over the edge like this. And they still don't do it. This one, I guess, I'll have to take out. I don't know if these 2 are going to be able to do it since they're dead. I need those orange ones back to help push them off. Come here. Arr! See, they just sit there. One slow one fell off. It's a construction, I mean. Careful. Oh! That's a fast one. This is the second one. He needs to do a sneak attack. Run into him like this, but I can't help but do it. That'd be cheating. Don't fall off. You're our only hope, Orangey. Oh, whoa! I didn't know Skittles was in here. But then I just heard her bell. We need more help. Oh, don't battle each other, oranges. Get the dead battery ones. No, not him. You did that to yourself. Hey, come back here. Not even the sneak attack will work that much. Yeah, they're dead. I can't do it until they have good batteries. See, this one got completely dead. It's this one that's making it work bad. Well, they're all dead except for the 2 new oranges, of course. They'd be fast, the new ones. But not for long. Okay, now they're just running off, and that's not acceptable. They're just running off. You can't be doing that. sure this one will win since its batteries are low. Whichever one has a low battery is the one that's gonna win. Because it's so stupid and doesn't have enough strength. It's being a chicken. It doesn't look orange, this one at all. This is not orange. You should have made it orangish. This is the, oh, no, that's the brightest orange. Does it need more help? Already. Okay, looks like this is gonna be a never-ending thing until they get. I'll never get good batteries ever again. Ever. My dad will never let me.